Hello guys, ladies, and today's video is going to be that light is messing me up. Hold on now. Yeah, we're going to be installing AutoZone LED license plate light. So that should be fun. First thing you need is a screwdriver. Yeah, I should have one. A screwdriver, that's it. And the knowledge of installing one of these things. So yeah, let's get to business. Oh, first thing you need to do too is open your trunk. It's open. Let's go back there. Yes. If it's on your bumper, you don't have to open your trunk. I forgot to mention that. You don't have to open your trunk. Oh, I'm trying to find the worst part to film. If you have it on your bumper, you don't have to open your trunk. But if you have it on the trunk, you have to, because you have to put the trunk up so you could unscrew it. You will see what I'm talking about. See, the trunk is all up. This is it right here. This is this 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. So take this bolt out, then you take this cover off. That's all that's holding it in. So yeah, you have to have the trunk open. If you have it down, there is no way you will be able to do it. But if you have it on your bumper, I don't think you need to take your bumper off, but I don't have it on bumper, so that's what I googled for. So yeah, that should be fun. Let's unscrew this, and I'm going to clean the inside and make it real nice. So I took the plastic thing that covered the lights off. So what I noticed is that the plastic is like it's enter. I don't know, I could see it, but this is inside of this. It's inside of this. Then this is inside the plastic as well. So just the plastic here, you just have to put a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, then put the plastic back. Then you have the light exposed on both sides, and you could just take your hand and then take the lights out. Yeah, make sure you don't break it while doing so. Or you could go behind it right here. You take this out, you take it out completely, then do it on the ground. I just found out. Yeah, let's clean this up. And first we're gonna put the lights in while we have it exposed. So yeah, let's do this. Oh, something else I should mention too. So you have a little cover like this. You just take it like this, then you pop it out, just like this one, and you have more clearance to take it out instead of taking this whole thing out apart. So yeah, let's just stick the new one in. So in these, I don't know if there's like a way you should put it, but I'm going to test fit it, so make sure everything works. So yeah, why not? I got them back in. I got the new one back in, the LED ones. So before I close it, I'm just gonna make sure it works, both light up. So let me turn on the headlight, and I mean, yeah, that should work too. The dash light. So make sure, man. Apparently there's a way you have to mount it in, like this one. I just reverse it, and that one's still the same way. So if you put it away and it don't light up, just shoot it to the other side. It should light up. If it don't, just go back to AutoZone and get your money back, bro. And another way to notice it is that you will see. Oh sure, you will see behind, like on the side, there's like a red dot, like this one. The red dot should be facing this way, but if you put it like that, it will mostly not light up. But if you put it like this way, it will light up. But this red dot, it's on your left hand, it's facing your left hand, like this. Boom, and put it in. So yeah, the thing left to do is to clean these things up. So I'm just gonna take them inside and clean them up in 5, 4, 3 seconds. So there you guys have it. And yeah, the glass is looking shine. So I clean the glass, and all these ugly spots kind of showing up because the glass are clean. So I should have cleaned the thing that hold the lights too. So I didn't see that one. I'm not gonna do it. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like that. So yeah, the glass will shine, as you could see. It's bright to them. So right now I'm just gonna show you guys a video of it at nighttime. Yeah. And damn, looks okay. And the old one, they are good, so I'm probably gonna keep them because you could use them for your side like on your head, like, you know, you could use it, or you could give it to one of your buddies that have a Honda or anything for this, or you could put it in your dashboard because that's the same light for your dash, but it would be wet though. Just saying. Hello guys. So as I was adding in this video, I noticed I didn't do an outro for this video. So this is my outro. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please drop a like and drop a comment to support the bill. And if that was helpful, subscribe. I got more video. And so yeah, if you have the license plate on your bumper, so what you should do, you should like go, you don't have to jack the car. I mean, if you want to, you could jack it, and or you could just put something on the floor. You just lay there and just do it by hand. So yeah, that's my advice to you guys. Or you could just look it up. I mean, I'm sure that's what you did, so that's why you here. Yeah, okay. So yeah, so drop a like, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Oh.